How to download and install the Quotex application on your device. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you want the Quotex investment application on your device, you can use Play Store or App Store to download it. But before that, make sure Quotex is available on your region. Once you search for it, it should be available in this way. Now tap open the Quotex investing platform and tap on install. Now this should automatically start the downloading of the Codex application along with the installation process being followed. Once it is installed, you will see our open button there itself. Just tap open it and you will land to the login page. Now from here just provide in the credentials and log into account. If you do not have an account, go to the register tab and then just give in the details. And once you have set up all the credentials, you should be good to go. So that is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.